Hey everyone, welcome to our new video. I have found another free AI code editor and its name is Trae. And the interesting thing is that it is completely free and here you will get access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet for free and unlimited. So I have given the download link in the description box and here you will find according to your operating system download it. Okay. And in the meantime, let me show you some of the exciting features of this Trae. Here you see that collaboration equals to you and Trae. And Trae is your ideal development partner and seamlessly balancing human and AI capabilities. So if I scroll down below, here you see that you will find access to this Claude 3.5 Sonnet and here you will find these two options, builder and chat. So if you click on this builder, here you can give any prompt that I want to build this type of website and you can do that. And in this chat section, you can simply chat to this AI system. Now if I scroll down below, here you see that upload images to clarify requirements. Means if you have any app ideas, then in that case you can upload that image and ask it that I have this app idea, please make a website like this. Okay, and here you see another thing they have mentioned that with advanced multimodal capabilities, Trey understands your image uploads with precision and streamlining collaboration and boosting efficiency. Okay, that means you can upload the image and you can write the prompt about that image and you can then ask this Tray to implement that. Okay, next thing is that get better results with full context. That means if you have a folder existing code base, then you can uh, upload that code base to this Tray and ask it that I have this code and I want to add these features to this. Okay, so here you see that these are the features like workspace, folder, and these files and code option is there. Okay, so when I will show you, you will understand that what are the features that is available inside this. Okay, next is this boost efficiency with smart completion. So here you will find these autocomplete features that already some of the extension like some of the ID like windsurf and cursor has. So here also you will get that advantage. Okay, so now love by Dave. So many people have already given their feedback. Now let me show you how to use this. So if I go to my download folder, here you see that this tray setup got downloaded. And now if I double click on this, by the way, I am on Windows. Uh, so let me show you that I accept the agreement. Click on this next, and click on this add open with tray and open with tray. So these two option is necessary if you want to use this tray like the VS Code. Like in case of VS Code, when you open the folder in VS Code, we do like code dot. Okay, so if you want to use the same features with this tray, then just tick mark these two checkbox. Okay, click on this next and install. So it will get installed. Okay, so my installation got completed. Click on this finish and now it will launch the tray. So it is launching. Click on this allow and here you see that welcome to tray. Click on this get started and choose any of the theme. So I am choosing this dark theme, continue, and after that import configuration. So already if you have any configuration in your VS Code, then click on this import from VS Code, otherwise click on this skip. Okay, and add this command. So start using the command tray in terminal. So here you see that install tray command. So this is actually similar to like code dot that we use in case of VS Code. Like if you have a folder and want to open it in the VS Code, code dot we write right in the terminal command. So in this also they have this tray command. You can install it, otherwise click on the skip. Okay, now there is an option to log in and skip. You can do the login, otherwise you can click on the skip. Okay, so I am clicking on this login because they have told us that if you want to access the AI feature in this tray, then you have to log in. Now there is a two option, one is GitHub, another one is Google. So I am clicking on this Google. My authentication got completed and it is telling me that login and open the tray. So login is successful and it is restarting the tray again, and here you see that this is the interface. Okay, now let me show you how to access this. So here you see that follow my cursor. I have these two options, one is this chat, another one is this builder. Now remember one thing, when you go to this chat, follow my cursor, below you will find this Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o access. Okay, now if you go to this builder, in that case here you see that you will get access to this Claude 3.5 Sonnet. That means if you want to build any application, in that case you will be using this Claude 3.5 Sonnet by default. But in case of chat, you can select any of the model GPT-4o or Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Okay. Now I will ask this tray to build a website. So for that, here you see that this is a prompt section and there's a context, that option is there. Okay, so if I click on this context, here you see that it is asking me the code, file and folder. But currently I don't have any folder or file. I want to build it from scratch. So that's why I will paste one uh, this command. Okay, this prompt. So here my prompt is that create a website where users can generate the personalized study roadmaps. So I want to build a website where user can generate the roadmap on any topic like front end, back end or DevOps. So this website we want to build, and this is my prompts. Okay. Now if I press enter, here you will see that it is asking me to open a folder to save this project. So click on this open a folder, and let me go to my folder like D drive or E drive. Okay, so inside this habit tracker I can select this folder, and it is asking me the trust folder and continue. Click on this yes and yes, and here you see that AI is thinking, and here it is writing all of these things. Okay, so it will take some time to build the website. And in the meantime, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel Code Digit. Here you see that I have already published many videos regarding this AI model and this Grok 3 R11776. This is a better model of DeepSeek. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to get this type of interesting videos more. So here you see that it has started writing the code, and it is writing the code in vanilla JS and HTML CSS. If you want it to build the code in React or Next.js, then in that case you can ask it that I want the code in React.js and Next.js. Okay, so here you see that my code is ready, and this code is generated by this tray with the help of Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Remember these things, it is completely free. Okay, here you see, and now it is asking me to accept this. So if I click on this accept all, now my code got accepted. Okay, now it is generating the style.css. Another interesting thing is that, okay, let me accept it, and okay, so now it is generating the JS in the JavaScript file. Okay, after it generated the JavaScript, I will show you another interesting thing. Okay, now it has generated the JavaScript functionality also, and here you see that accept all button got appeared. So click on this accept all, and now here you see that on the left hand side I have some three files like HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Now you see that on the left hand side in JavaScript file I have some error. Okay, now here for this I have this context option. So if I click on this context, so follow my cursor, if I click on this context, here you see that it is asking for the file or folder and code. So I will click on this file because specifically I am interested for this JavaScript file, and now I will ask it that I have some error, I have some error in this file, please fix it. Okay, now if I press enter, now it will find the error in this file and it will remove that. Okay, so in this way you can actually use the context option. Now below there is an image option also. If you click on this image, here you see that you can upload the image also. Okay, now here you see that it is removing the error from this file. you see that my error got removed from this code. Now let me show you one interesting thing. So on the left hand side you will find this web view option from the top. If I click on this web view, then here you see that you will find it that how your website looks like. Okay, so for that one thing you have to do. So on the right hand side here you see that in this prompt option, just write this thing that now start the application. So when you write this now start the application, it will start this application on a port 8000. Here you see that it has ran this command python -m http server 8000, and after that here you will find this behind this website. Okay, so here if I click on this front-end developer, here you see that access your current skill. If I click on this beginner or intermediate, and after that here you see that prefer learning style. If I click on this hands-on project, video tutorials or article documentation, click on this generate roadmap, and now you see that it is working fine. That if you want to become a front-end developer, and this is a roadmap that for the intermediate developer, like advanced JavaScript, state management, testing and debugging, all of these things. And from where you can access the article, like where you see that MDM, Medium or dev.to website. Now in this way you can actually generate any kind of website. Okay, now also on the left hand side you will find some extension store. Okay, here also you can install any kind of extension like the VS Code, like Cline, or this continue.dev, or this rook Cline. Okay, anything you can install here. So if I search here this Cline also, here you will find this Cline. Okay, so also you will find this search option. This is a global search, and there is a debug option is there, and you can debug any file if you have error. And also this is a explorer, mean the file folder. And also there is a source control, means you can push your code directly to the GitHub from this option. Okay, so I hope you got a great idea from this video that how to use this tray, and it is completely free. You will get access to this Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. And also you please try this chat option. I have not shown you how to use this chat. Please try this chat option and let me know in the comment section that how was your experience, and let me know your thought. Okay, and another thing is that if you have any update in this tray, in that case, so follow my cursor, you will get option that restart to update. Okay, so if anything there is an update to this tray, and then you will find this button restart to update. So click on the restart to update, it will get the latest update from the tray. Okay, so I want to conclude this video here. So if you have found helpful, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to watch the other videos also that I have published already.